Cape Chelyuskin is the northernmost point of the Eurasian continent, and the northernmost point of mainland Russia. It is situated at the tip of the Taymyr Peninsula, south of Severnaya Zemlya archipelago, in Krasnoyarsk Krai, Russia. The headland has a 17 meters high light on a framework tower. Cape Chelyuskin is 1,370 kilometers from the North Pole. Cape Vega is a headland located a little to the west of Cape Chelyuskin. Oscar Bay lies between both capes. Photo gallery. History. The cape was first reached in May 1742 by an expedition on land party led by Semyon Chelyuskin, and was initially called Cape East Northern. It was renamed in honor of Chelyuskin by the Russian Geographical Society in 1842, on the 100th anniversary of the discovery. It was passed on August 18, 1878 by Adolf Erik Nordenskjöld during the first sea voyage through the Northeast Passage. In 1990, Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen's ship Maud left behind two men, Peter Tesman and Paul Knutsen, at Cape Chelyuskin after having made winter quarters there. The Maud continued eastwards into the Laptev Sea, and the men were instructed to wait for the freeze-up of the Kara Sea and then sledge southwestwards towards Dixon carrying Amundsen's mail. However, these two men disappeared mysteriously and were never seen again. In 1922, Nikifor Boguschev led Soviet expedition in search for Peter Tesman and Paul Knutsen on request of the government of Norway, but Boguschev was not successful. A weather and a hydrology research base named Polar Station, Cape Chelyuskin, was constructed in 1932, and headed by Ivan Papinon. It was renamed the E.K. Fyodorov Hydrometeorological Observatory in 1983. The station has a magnetic observatory and stands on the eastern side of the point. Systematic geological survey for uranium began here in 1946–47 with industrial extraction between 1950 and 1952 in a mountain 150 kilometers south of the Cape proper. The Cape hosts the northernmost airfield in Eurasia, in operation at various locations since 1950. Climate. Cape Chelyuskin has a tundra climate.